Now onto the video. My brakes were grinding really bad after my last camping trip, so a friend sent a mechanic over to fix them. He installed new brake pads, amongst other things, and then suggested I take it to a garage the next day to further assess the situation.
Okie dokie, we're on our way to the mechanic. Get some stuff done on the van. Let me see, I gotta get the tires rotated, get the brakes bled, torsion bar, the bushings are bad, get an oil change, and I bought a new serpentine belt. So that is what we're doing now. It is, it's 9 o'clock, I'm late. Oh gosh, okay, get going. I had to clear out the entire front of the van. I have to do that every time I drive anyhow because I put my excess stuff on my seats. My window is so dirty. Holy cow, is it dirty. Oh well. Deal with it, girl, deal with it. Oh, the brakes aren't really, I don't know if they do need to be bled. No, it's not pushing air like it was earlier. And China is safe. I put her in her smaller soft crate. I hate to do it, but I have to, in their storage garage building thing. Because Jen has a cat. There's turkeys on the road. No, those aren't turkeys. Because Jen has a cat, and she said I could put China inside her house, but I don't want her cat to have an issue with it, and I don't want China to have an issue with it either, so I think it's safer just to put her in a little safe spot while the van's at the mechanics. And that's all that is. Brakes are definitely better with the new pads. Like I said, I'm not too sure the brakes need to be bled, so I'll ask the mechanic about it because it's not pushing air anymore. And he thought maybe the fluid just needed to get to the proper areas. Check engine lights on again, and it's my mass airflow sensor. I need to clean it, but I need to clean it and then drive it. I need to clean it, let it sit about a half hour, and then drive it. So I haven't done that. Of course, I'm going to get a lot of driving come Tuesday. So there's that. Yeah, my belt's squeaking, so I bought a new one. I could have bought the cheap one for $22, or the one with the 3-year warranty for $54, so I bought the one with the 3-year warranty. Because I drive this a lot. You know, if it was just a little town car, I'd get the cheaper one, but it's not just a little town car that gets, you know, driven here and there. It gets driven all over the country. So there's that. This is my there's that day. It's nice that the brakes aren't squealing anymore. They weren't really squealing, they were grinding. my brake pads were bad, bad, bad. Okay, turn on the lights. We've got construction people out here. And maybe not. Okay. They have been working on this road some, or this area, something along this area. I am hearing a sound coming from my right front wheel that I've never heard before. Have to get them to check that out. Hope, you know, it could be the lug nut thing because he told me to have a torque test done, which I'm going to do today, but I don't know. I haven't checked the tire pressure either. Okay, we're here. Keys. All right, I got all the van stuff done, as I said, and just leaving the retirement home where Mom is. Said my laters to her. I don't like this part. It sucks. It sucks. Okay, but I gotta head back sometime. Better do it now. Plus, they're gonna close the campground anyhow. And I need to go get some water, fill up my 5-gallon container, and get some dry kitty cat food. I don't think I need anything else. Okay, so at least all is good with the van. Oops. At least all's good with the van. I'm kind of glad I came by myself. Got that little time alone with her. Alrighty then, so we're gonna head to Walmart, get the water, get the cat food. I really think that's all I need. And get back to the campground and organize my life, organize my stuff, and okay, sorry, I was paying attention to traffic, get China fed and all that. Give you a little view of what it's like around town. Oh boy. Now, this was a told Mom, I said, no tears. We're just gonna hug, say goodbye. You know, and we have each other's phone numbers and such, so better this way. It's not goodbye, it is later. Later, gator. Okay, that was a little side street, so I'll catch y'all later. So we have a little bit of color starting out. Don't know how much of it you can see. Got all my chores done. Got my gas. Got my supplies, water, cat food, drinks for me. Just a little, some yogurt, stuff like that. So go back to the campground for the night, settle out my bill, which is never fun. And head out tomorrow, go see my youngest brother for a while, and I don't know if I'll stay the night or if I'll just see him for a couple of hours. And then go see my middle brother after that. Middle, not little, middle. And perhaps the oldest one of the three brothers after that. Then I'll be heading for South Carolina. But we'll do some camping along the way. Let my sister heal a little bit more. She had surgery. So I know she wants to do things, and I don't want her to feel guilty because she had surgery and she's in pain. So I'll give her a little more time to heal. Her husband's taking care of her, so she doesn't need me in that regard, fortunately. That was selfish. That didn't sound right. I didn't mean that. I'd help her if I had to. Again, that didn't sound right to me either. But yes, I definitely step in to help my sister.